Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. These days it is very mandatory to eat healthy and stay fit for everyone. And making healthy food on busy morning would be very difficult. So to make it very simple and quick, here I came with a new instant healthy breakfast recipe suitable for all ages without grinding any dosa batter and fermenting it. Moreover, this is a kid's favorite breakfast. Before getting into the recipe, if you are new here, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon to stay tuned for more healthy and interesting recipes. To start with our recipe, here I have taken 1 and 1/3 cups of rolled oats and 1/3 cup of besan or chickpea flour, 1/3 cup of suji or semolina. These measurements I am taking for 4 members and you may adjust according to your requirements. Here we have this thick and old-fashioned rolled oats. Now transfer this oats to a mixing bowl like this. And now to this, here I am adding 1/3 cup of suji or semolina. Oats are rich in soluble fiber and they are very much filling. So this aids in reducing weight. Here I am adding 1/3 cup of besan or chickpea flour to this. And now add salt as per taste. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, and half cup of thick homemade yogurt. Using the same measuring cup, measure 1 cup of water and add to this oats, suji and besan flours. Now mix it thoroughly so that everything combines well. After mixing this, here I am adding half cup of water again and mix this and allow it to rest for 5 minutes. Meanwhile it is resting, let's cut the vegetables and keep it ready. Here we have all the vegetables ready and by this time this oats are also well soaked. So here I am adding half tablespoon of cumin and 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi. Just rub it between the palms and add. Now add 1 teaspoon of grated ginger and 1/4 cup of grated carrots, 1/4 cup of onion that is chopped into small pieces. Now here I am adding half of the tomato that is chopped into small pieces. You may add whatever vegetables that is available to you. Here I am adding 1/4 cup of chopped bell peppers and handful of chopped cilantro. Now give it a good mix so that all the vegetables and the batter combines well. This is a very healthy breakfast because we used oats and all kinds of vegetables, and moreover this is a great option to feed kids very healthy. As this batter is very thick, here I am adding more half cup of water and mix it. On the total, here I added 2 cups of water gradually and mixed. Finally, here I am adding half a spoon of amchur powder and mix it. With this, our dosa batter is ready. Now heat the pan and grease it with little oil. And once the pan is heated, take a ladle full of batter and spread little. This breakfast recipe is very ideal on busy mornings because we don't have to soak dals and grind the batter and ferment it. So this is very quick and instant and healthy too. Now add half a spoon of oil on each dosa and allow this to cook for about a minute. After a minute, this dosa is well cooked, so flip it and allow this to cook on the other side also. Make sure to cook these dosas on a medium to low flame because there are lots of vegetables and oats in this. So here after a minute, this dosa is well cooked on both sides. So now carefully transfer to the serving plate. With this, our healthy instant breakfast recipe for busy mornings is ready. Here you can see this is well cooked and very soft and spongy and loaded with nutrients and fiber. So friends, please try making this and enjoy this healthy instant dosa with a dip of tomato ketchup or marinara sauce, whatever is available with you. If you like my recipe and if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon and stay tuned for more healthy and interesting recipes. This is Rupa signing off for today and see you in the next video. Thank you.